So if you guys have been following me on my Telegram, I actually shared my entry around 95.6k in BTC with you all guys. This was a post. Let me just tell you. There I posted the chart. I told you clearly if BTC closes above this trend line, Giga sent 200k instantly. The price was trading around 96.5k and I was in a long in Bitcoin. And you can see the profit was around 313%. And then after some time it went to almost 768%, and this was when Bitcoin was trading at 100,000 300,000 Bitcoin. Okay, so this was very important. This trade was clearly mentioned on my Telegram. This was for free and nothing is paid. And these were my true positions that I took. First entry was around 95,682, the second entry was around 96,300, and I rode that trend and closed a profit of around 800%. And actually currently the Bitcoin market has crashed from $103,000, and you can see clearly I told you here that I am exiting the market. Let me just refresh this page, and you'll see that I exited the market at the current time. Yeah, here. Close full. I'm out of the markets and stables now. Made good money. Take care. Will be uploading videos soon. Yeah, and also I gave you a free call of INJ long here, and yeah, I entered around INJ, longing INJ here at 32.4, and I wrote that call till around 88%, and I closed it full around 88.9 profit. Okay, so this was my Telegram. What benefit you get by joining or clicking on my Telegram? This was just a trailer, guys. You'll be getting more such info, and let's just talk about Bitcoin, right? And now that you know why my joining my Telegram is important, super duper important, just click on the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram. It is absolutely free, of course. So what I told in the last night's update is that if this trend line is broken with volume, we'll be surely entering in longs. And if you guys entered in the long, you will be riding till $103,000. And then I told you that there is so much why in the market, there is so much funding rates in the market that you should exit this momentum and you should take profits and just go home. And that is what I did. I took a long in INJ also, and let's just see what INJ is doing. INJ is currently around 33.8, up from my entry, but I exited the top around 34 or something like that. And yeah, you should just follow me on Telegram. That is all I can say. Let's just see where BTC could stop, and let's just try to find out those levels. So as we all know, we use liquidity theories and Fibonacci tools. So let's just put this low over here and this high over here, and we'll be finding that why Bitcoin just bounce from this area over here, $100,500, and why it pumped, because this was the 38.2% level, and this level has been acting support super duper, and this level is very important. Those who have been watching my videos, those they all know that this 38.2% level in a bull market always supports price and gives price boost to pump further. So this could be one of the final targets of Bitcoin dump. And yeah, but I personally think market needs a reset, and the funding rates and the OI is actually kind of crazy. It is very high, around, I guess, if I'm not wrong, 24 billion, 28 billion, something like that. And yeah, what the levels that I'm looking for in Bitcoin to enter is the golden pocket over here. This is around 98.286k, and 99.45k is around the 50% entry. And yeah, one more scenario I would like to point out here is that if you draw the fib from here to here, the 0.5 level is currently here where price is stopping. So this level 50%, and this level 38.2%. This is why this area has been acting as good support lately, and this could push price upwards to test this high over here, and then it can possibly be dumped further till the golden pocket region over here. This is around $100,000 to 99.7k, and yeah, the best entry would be 98k, 98.2k, something like that, because that is one area that is in my mind from past few days. I would try to scalp trade there, and yeah, I'll update my position in the Telegram, and that's why you should follow me on my Telegram. It is absolutely free of cost. And yeah, let's see one more scenario that I have to tell you. If we zoom out the chart in the 1 hour time frame, we have lots and lots of liquidity untested here below 92k below 91k. This is the level that I'm looking at. If Bitcoin tends to correct, then we will be looking at these kind of liquidities to tap. This is the area that could be tapped, and this is the second area that could be tapped. This is around 90k to 89.7k. This area has a lot of liquidity in Bitcoin, so that is why this would be, in my eyes, I will be looking for longing Bitcoin in swing tradings. But the scalp trading modes are very simple. I'll scalp trade this golden pocket over here. I'll scalp trade the 0.5 level also over here. I'll scalp trade this level. I'll scalp trade this level also, 96.6k. So these all levels are good for scalp trading. I will be informing you if I enter in any kind of trade. Yeah, and one more thing, you could also join my whale sniper chat group that is absolutely free. Of course, you could just join by sending me a DM. I'll be telling you in the Telegram how to join and why you should join, what perks you will be getting in that inside that group. Yeah, this is the Bitcoin update. One more thing we'll be looking at is the RSI, and RSI has been one of the key factors in deciding Bitcoin trend. Let me just look at RSI, what it is telling. The 4-hour RSI is very important, guys. The 4-hour RSI failed to sustain above the overbought region. So this might be a fake out. This whole move might be a fake out in the weekly time frame. Let me just tell you, let me just refresh this all, guys. Yeah, in the 1 hour time frame also, this dump was very bearish and was very obvious. This was a higher high price, and this was a lower low RSI. This is a clear cut RSI based divergence, so that's why I exited the market. And I saw a lot of things when you enter. So when you play so much time, when you spend so much time in the market, you just get used to the vibes. You get used to the times and seasons when you should enter or exit the market. Yeah, I sensed that season. I was very happy with my longs actually, and I exited the market right on time. So if you guys have been liking my post so far, one more scenario that could happen is that this liquidity or this wick could be filled, and this wick would be filled. The ideal thing to fill that liquidity would be to test this high over here and come around 99.8k, 99k, and then go over this level and then come down till 89k or 90k. This scenario could also happen in Bitcoin, and this is when BTC forms a range inside this box and alts start exploding. So I'll be uploading Ethereum update also, so make sure to wait for that update, and I'll be updating my targets for the bull run. I'll be updating the short-term scalp trade zones. I'll be updating about the Dogecoin call also. I'll also be uploading a Nero coin video. Okay, so let's just meet there, guys.